Hello everybody, let me show you how we can refactor existing marts depending on the different logic in the business side. To start, what changed actually is that in this table payment in Postgres, before we had a one-to-one relation with orders. Thus, the order ID was unique in this table payment, but now we have a one-to-n, so one order ID can have many payments. So if I do a query preview, I will have duplicated order IDs, depends on the payment. Let's order by here order ID, and I see I do have this case already. This is fine with staging layer, but in the Marts specifically, these DIN orders in here, that I do have the payments, I have an assumption that I have one row per order ID. Thus, in this table, the order ID should be unique. And it's not the case anymore. We can see here in the order ID, I have again this duplicated order ID in here. The same here if I do the test, because I have a unique test for this table and the test will also fail. So my unique test in here is failing. So what can I do? I have to refactor DCT specifically here. So let's go data pilot and then change. What I want is basically aggregate total paid and payment methods per order ID. Now take a look at the query. It's summing the amount for paying total paid and string aggregate for payment method, which is totally fine. And obviously is adding a group by here, order ID, which does make sense. So let's take a look again at my results to see everything is okay. And from a first side, it should be fine. But let's build this specific model so it both runs and do the data to see everything is okay, really, in the table as well, in the database. Great, so now my tests are passing. So the last thing we need to do is adjust the documentation because we did change a little bit of the logic in this payment method column. So specifically, let's go to the payment method and just regenerate. Payment method user for each order. The data is aggregated from payment table. This is perfect. This is exactly what I want. So let's insert and then save. And we're done. Thanks for watching.